Today, Olivia's going to help me show you how easy it is to replace the rear wiper blade on a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you look at it, the wiper blade, actually the wiper arm won't come out long enough for you to take off the old blade. So what you do is, here there's a little hood cover that covers the bolt that holds the wiper arm on the back window, and you just pull the sides and it pops off. And with this, you can pull the wiper arm up and then replace the wiper blade. So now that it's up, all you do is it just pops right off like that. And then we'll get the new blade and we'll put it in and we'll put it back together. Very easy, very easy. No tools needed. Now if you look at the replacement blade, it has got a part here that is flexible, and you want to make sure that is pointing towards the center of the window. So when you put it on, it just folds back like that and you're ready to go. And then we just put this hood back on and we've replaced the rear window wiper on 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee.